Google just rolled out a major upgrade to image editing inside Gemini, and it's being called by some the most advanced AI photo editor available. So this is a new image generation and editing model that's formally called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, but it is kind of nicknamed and also internally nicknamed by Google Nano Banana after a codenamed version of this model before this kind of formally came out. So this is embedded right within Gemini, and Gemini 2.5 Flash Image slash Nano Banana allows you to edit any image while maintaining character consistency. So the same face or product can appear reliably across many different scenes. It also supports multi-image fusion, so you can blend objects or environments into a single photorealistic picture. And there's overall prompt-based editing, so you can make really precise changes like erasing a stain, shifting a pose, recoloring an old photo, just by describing all of that in natural language. Now, this also has some world knowledge to it. So, unlike most image generators that only excel at aesthetics, this can actually interpret diagrams, ground images, and real world facts, and even act as an interactive tutor. So, the images that are edited and produced with this new model include Google's invisible synth ID watermark. We talked about that before, that flags the images as being AI generated or manipulated. So, Paul, we've got plenty of image generation, image editing tools out there. Many of them are really impressive, but it does seem like Nano Banana has caught fire and gotten a ton of attention for just how powerful it seems to be based on the experiments and examples I'm seeing. Why is this worth paying attention to?
Yeah, it definitely got a lot of buzz in like the couple weeks leading up to the actual launch. A lot of rumors. People assumed it was probably Google, but no one was really sure what the Nano Banana thing was. But it was really impressive. And then the launch. I mean, yeah, the stuff I've been seeing is just tremendous response online to the model. I was honestly like really confused as to whether this was like what happened to Imagine 4. Like, where was the?
Yeah.
I thought that was their image generation model. I was like, is this just an editing model or is it like the whole thing? Because when you go into the app, it just says image and they have a banana emoji. So, which is so un-Google like. Like, I think it's hilarious that Google is now just willing to play the game and having more fun with their product announcements and playing along with all this. So yeah, if you're not sure how to use it, literally just go into the Gemini app and look for the banana. Like, it just says banana and image. Um, so I couldn't find anything from Google officially that explained, was this Imagine 4 reimagined as like something else, or like what happened here? And
Mm.
so I went into Gemini and asked, because I don't know. So I don't, this seems correct to me, but without having anything official from Google, I'm just going to roll with what Gemini is telling me. So it says they are different models. So Imagine 4 is a specialized text image diffusion model designed for creating high quality photorealistic images from text prompts. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image is a multimodal LLM. This means it's part of the Gemini family of models and was trained to understand and work with both text and images. So then I said, okay, like, so does Imagine 4 not get used? Like, when I ask for an image using this Nano Banana, like, am I using Imagine 4 at all? So it says, when you're using the Gemini app to generate an image and see the 2.5 Flash Image banana emoji, you are indeed using the 2.5 Flash Image model, not Imagine 4 directly. So Gemini 2.5 is primarily a primary image model built into the Gemini app. It is native, multimodal, understands both text and images. It says Imagine 4 is the underlying image generation engine. So think of it as a highly specialized tool that Gemini 2.5 Flash can call upon when it needs to create a brand new image. So it's basically saying like 2.5 Flash is kind of the primary model you interact with, and that model chooses to use Imagine 4 for original generation of images.
Okay.
We'll keep looking into this, but like that's basically what seems like it's happening, is like a model choice thing. And if the 2.5 Flash needs image generation, it does it. Otherwise, it just edits your existing stuff. So um, if you want to test this out, what I've always found with, because I'm not good at prompting images and videos and audio, is just go into Gemini and say, give me some prompts to test the full capabilities of 2.5
Yeah.
Flash Image. So if you want to see what it's capable of doing, just ask Gemini to give you some prompts to use, and it'll give you like really detailed prompts. Or say, hey, I want to upload this photo. Give me a prompt I can use to see what 2.5 Flash is capable of doing to it. and it'll give you prompts. It's the best way to kind of experiment with these. And then we'll have a Gen AI app review as part of AI Academy coming out soon that'll go a little deeper into this and do like a 15, 20-minute review of it.